Hey guys, I'm back home. I got a trellis, some dowel rods, and a raspberry plant. And I am getting ready to put the dowel rods into the green bean plants. So over there, you may be able to see that I have some netting. So I'm gonna put dowel rods in there and then wrap the netting around it. And then this plant over here, I'm gonna put the trellis in it and then put the dowel rods and then the stuff around it. Also, this is how big my zucchini is. It's huge. So let's see how this goes. It is hot outside, but I'm in some shaded area, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so here's the plant. Here's the trellis. And we need to get some water in this baby. Right in here, I think. And then I'm going to kind of help these green beans kind of climb around here to kind of help them. Okay, so I have the trellis in there. As you can see, I love the look of this. This is so pretty. I don't know if I see the flowering bud in here anymore, which it may have gotten eaten up. Okay, again, please excuse the mess. I just put up some chicken wire around my green beans and I gave some room on the sides, so hopefully that will make it harder. I probably could have gone out even further, but it was hard to man that thing on my own. But I've got that on there now, so I am going to work on putting another panel up to make it higher, but I think I'm gonna need my husband's help on that. But this is what it looks like, so hopefully that will help keep some of the animals from eating on it. They still might, I don't know. This is just another experiment that I'm doing. Here's that zucchini. It is huge. Oh no, it's starting to, oh no. Okay, I may need to harvest that because that's starting to get a little soft. And I don't know if it's because it's hot. I did just water it, but if it's getting soft, I'm just gonna harvest it and use it to save seeds with. So that's how big that is. I'm gonna bring it inside. So I'm gonna leave that on the stove and hopefully it will still be okay to save the seeds from. But anyway, I got the chicken wire on it and I will have to put up a second panel. But I also bought some zinnias today that I'm gonna put outside at some point to bring pollinators in and all that good stuff. So that's the update for now. You guys stay cool out there. It is hot. I'll talk to you guys later.